Oh, which one?
The bark.
The bark one? Bark, 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 bark. Woo. Said wrong again. Who's the other one? Yeah, I said doggy, 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 cat long.
And do the.
Halle, 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 halle. Sando. Sorry, that Sando gets me every time.
Look, my new cologne.
Oh yeah, Playboy. We can't tell you what it looks like because they cover it every time. You need to pay $1.99 to see this.
Where you going? Oh, my mom's up there.
Oh, look at the ladies' bikes.
You are a lady, aren't you, Cherry? Cherry, you are a lady, aren't you?
Look at $319 for this.
Is it cheap?
$319. That means it's something. It has something. Though. How much is this one? Wow, really? Is this mongoose? It's just a mongoose.
No, yeah, mongoose.
Are these expensive mongooses, I guess?
Yeah.
But are they good?
I'm riding a bike. Safety first.
What was it saying?
We don't have yeah, all we have is the boxes now. We don't have this one anymore. We only have boxes like these.
Still got your bike, don't you?
I can see if we have some.
That's your bike?
You want me to check that?
Your bike?
Oh, you ride that bike?
No, I said your bike.
Oh, I have it.
Oh.
Ride it, Cherry. Can you ride on it?
No.
Can you?
No.
Not even on it?
No.
You can. Let's go like this. Whee!
You get this for Tito.
You mean your cousin?
Yeah, Tito.
Oh, yeah. You nicknamed Tito. But who's Tito? Well, I gotcha.
Little T. It's good for Torito. I was like, oh.
Take over.
All right, I'm taking over.